Let's go shopping.
Size Medicines. Ah, here we are. New chicks being delivered. They have numerous chicken, and they have 1 or 2 ducks as well. Notice how careful he is to get these out. There's some kids watching on the other side. New chicks. Maybe someday I'll have some again. We shall see.
This might be trying to get one of these. We're going to stop.